Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day, and it's the perfect opportunity to kickstart your morning with delicious and nutritious dishes. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the top 10 easy breakfast recipes that are not only quick to prepare, but also incredibly satisfying. These recipes will help you start your day on the right foot. Let's explore a world of mouth-watering breakfast options that you can enjoy without the morning rush. Number 10. Classic French Toast. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the classic French toast. While it's a staple for many, mastering the art of French toast offers room for creativity. The choice of bread can significantly impact the final product. Traditional white or whole wheat bread is a classic choice, but you can explore artisanal options like brioche or challah for a richer and more indulgent flavor. The type of milk you use can add depth, from regular cow's milk to almond or soy milk for a dairy-free option. Seasonings like cinnamon, nutmeg, or a pinch of vanilla extract can be added for a warm and aromatic note. Number 9. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. We have scrambled eggs with spinach and feta, a dish that beautifully blends the richness of scrambled eggs with the earthy notes of spinach and the tanginess of feta cheese. The choice of eggs matters. Considers free-range, organic eggs for a richer and more flavorful dish. The type of spinach can also influence the final taste. Fresh baby spinach adds a delicate, tender texture, while mature spinach offers a more robust flavor. Feta cheese can be made from cow's, sheep's, or goat's milk, each with unique characteristics that can provide different levels of creaminess and tang. Number 8. Greek Yogurt and Granola Parfait. The Greek yogurt and granola parfait is not just about the layers. It's about the quality of ingredients. Greek yogurt can vary in creaminess and tartness, depending on the brand and fat content. When choosing granola, you can explore various flavors, from classic oats and honey to nut and seed mixes. The fruits you add to the parfait can change the entire experience, from the sweetness of berries to the tropical notes of mango or pineapple. The drizzle of honey or agave syrup can be complemented with a pinch of sea salt for contrast. Number 7. Avocado and poached egg on toast. Features avocado and poached egg on toast. While the idea is simple, the execution can be perfected. Selecting the right avocado, one that's perfectly ripe, can be the key to achieving that creamy texture. The choice of bread, whether it's sourdough, whole grain, or a gluten-free alternative, can contribute to the dish's overall character. The technique of poaching an egg can be an art in itself. The water's temperature, the addition of vinegar, and the timing all play a role in achieving the perfect poached egg. To elevate the dish, season your avocado mash with a pinch of smoked paprika, a dash of hot sauce, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Number 6. Overnight Chia Pudding. We have overnight chia pudding, a breakfast that requires a little planning in advance. The type of milk you choose, whether it's cow's milk, almond milk, or coconut milk, can significantly impact the final taste. When sweetening the pudding, you can use honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, depending on your preferred flavor profile. The choice of fruits to add, from berries to tropical fruits like mango and kiwi, can provide a variety of vitamins and textures. Toppings like toasted coconut, chopped nuts, or a sprinkle of cocoa nibs can create an enticing crunch. Number 5. Breakfast Burritos. We have breakfast burritos, a portable and satisfying breakfast that's more than just a wrap. The type of tortilla you choose can influence the burrito's texture. Flour tortillas offer a soft and chewy bite, while whole grain or spinach tortillas can provide added nutrients and color. The variety of ingredients you include can change the burrito's personality. You can opt for classic bacon or sausage, or explore vegetarian alternatives like tofu scramble or black beans. The choice of cheese, whether it's cheddar, pepper jack, or queso fresco, can add layers of creaminess and flavor. To make it even more personalized, consider adding guacamole, pico de gallo, or salsa for a burst of taste. Number 4. Oatmeal with toppings. A versatile and hearty breakfast that can be customized to suit your cravings. The type of oats you choose can greatly influence the dish. Old-fashioned oats provide a chewy texture, while steel-cut oats offer a heartier bite. The variety of toppings you use, from fresh or dried fruits to nuts, seeds, and a dollop of yogurt, can provide an array of flavors and textures. A drizzle of honey, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a dash of cocoa powder can add extra layers of taste. Oatmeal is a blank canvas for a variety of ingredients that can transform your morning bowl into a satisfying and comforting meal. Number 3. Smoothie bowl. A breakfast that's not just nutritious, but also a work of art. The choice of fruits in your smoothie can create a base of flavors, from the tartness of berries to the creaminess of bananas. The type of yogurt you select can impact the smoothie's texture and tanginess. Greek yogurt offers creaminess and protein, while coconut yogurt provides a dairy-free alternative. The liquid you add, whether it's milk, juice, or a dairy-free option, can influence the smoothie's consistency. The toppings you choose can add crunch, color, and flavor. Granola, coconut flakes, chia seeds, and a variety of fruits can create a visual masterpiece. Number 2. Breakfast quesadilla. Breakfast quesadilla is more than just a folded tortilla. It's a combination of morning flavors in a delightful package. The type of eggs you use, whether they are farm fresh, free range, or organic, can contribute to the overall quality of the dish. The choice of breakfast meat, from crispy bacon to savory sausage, can provide a burst of flavor. Vegetables like bell peppers and onions, when sautéed, can add color and a touch of sweetness. The variety of cheese you select, whether it's sharp cheddar, pepper jack, or a Mexican blend, can offer creaminess and richness. To elevate the flavors, consider adding avocado slices, salsa, or sour cream for a southwestern twist. The breakfast quesadilla shows us that breakfast can be a savory and satisfying experience that's not just for mornings. Number 1. Peanut butter and banana toast. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, easy breakfast recipe: peanut butter and banana toast. While it may seem simple, there's more to this classic combo than meets the eye. The type of peanut butter you use, whether it's creamy, crunchy, natural, or flavored, can offer a range of textures and flavors. The choice of bread, whether it's artisanal, whole grain, or gluten-free, can create different levels of crunch and nuttiness. Slicing the bananas or mashing them onto the toast can provide varying textures. To enhance the flavors, consider drizzling honey, agave syrup, or sprinkling cinnamon or cocoa powder for added layers of taste. Breakfast is a meal that sets the tone for your day, and these top 10 easy breakfast recipes are designed to help you kick-start your morning with a satisfying and delicious meal. If you are like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.